Okay, I've got the flywheel on. The woodruff key is engaged with the crankshaft and the inside of the flywheel, and I know that is so because I can rotate the flywheel and it will turn the engine. It will find compression, so that's good. Now what's next is to fix the flywheel in place. The washer goes in there and the nut goes on the end with a 19mm socket. Push it up as far as we can. And of course, as you turn this, it'll try and turn the engine. So you do it as far as you can, well, I do it as far as I can by hand, and then we'll finish it off with the rattle gun. Tighten it up. It's on there good and tight now, and all I have to do is reattach the wiring here, and what we've got is this larger one plugs into the existing loom and it powers the direct light into the headlight, that's this green wire, and the yellow is to charge the battery and something else, I forget what it does. Anyway, these brown and black ones go to connect to the new black box that's fitted under the tank. That in turn is connected to the coil, and that of course is connected to the spark plug. So fingers crossed, I'll connect this all up, and the next time you see this it should be time to give it a test kick and start it and check everything, see if it's doing what it should do.